Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing really good. In this video, we will learn some maths tip and tricks and how to learn the table of 13. Are you excited to learn the table of 13? If you are new or you haven't subscribed to our channel or you have forgotten to subscribe, so it's a humble request to subscribe so that you would not miss the upcoming videos. I would be very happy and appreciate your effort. What can you learn from Ekta Kamra channel? Anyone can learn. You can practice on daily basis. You can make your mind fast in calculation. Number of videos have been uploaded yet. Go and check out other videos for more knowledge and information. So with Ekta Kamra, you can know more tips and tricks to do faster calculation. Are you excited to learn the table of 13? What kind of the trick we are going to apply on the table of 13? Let's find out. Here I have a grid box, right? So you have to fill the grid with some numbers and the number starts from 1 to 9. Here we write the number 1 at third row. Now moving up and write the number 2 and 3. Then down, write the number 4 at second column of third row. Then keep moving up, write the number 5 and 6. In the same way, I'll write the number 7 in the third row of third column. Then keep moving up, write the number 8 and 9. So the first trick is to add number 1 before 3, 6 and 9. So the number become 13, 26 and 39. Now let's apply the second trick at second row. We have to skip all those numbers which are multiple of 4. Move to the second row. I will skip the number 4. I will write number 5, 6 and 7 before the number 2, 5 and 8. So the numbers are 52, 65 and 78. Now only the third row is left to apply the trick, right? Our trick is to skip those numbers which are multiples of 4, right? So I would not write the number 8 at third row. Move to the next number which is 9, 10 and 11. The numbers we get at third row are 91, 104 and 117. Now let's find out and check the table of 13 with the applied tricks. Let's revise the table of 13 first. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 sixes are 78, 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104, 13 nines are 117 and 13 tens are 130. All the numbers in the grid box are completely similar to the table of 13. Now you can remember this trick and you can share with your family and friends. It's the end of the video. I would like to say thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you very much. See you, bye bye and take care from Ekta Kamra.